everybody, I wanted to do a laundry video for you first. When you do laundry, sort them. Make sure you do your mechanics work clothes. If you wash them at home, last. That way the chemicals and the grease do not get on your everyday clothes and ruin them. If by chance you put a piece of clothing in with your mechanics load, there's a stain remover you can make at home using everyday items. You just need a dark container. I took a mason jar, spray painted it black. It's been working so far. You need a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap. Hi. 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. You want to store it in a dark container because the light and sunlight, wherever your laundry room is, will break down the peroxide. That's why it's stored in a brown bottle. And you need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I also wrote a label on mine, just in case, busy moms. And it's also safe for babies. Also a mom bonus, right? Like he's 2, my little one is 2, I get it. All you do is soak the clothing in water. I use a Dollar Tree toothbrush, scoop it out, put on the clothing, scrub it, rinse it, make sure I don't notice the stain, and throw it in the washer. Now when you're done using and washing your mechanics clothes, run a load of bleach through your washer at the very end of every laundry. Very end. It'll save you loads.